Hello, this is Reanne, and we're gonna be unboxing Detective Training Camp Secret Message. We're gonna assemble this later, and we're also all of these. Here are the ones inside the kit, I guess. Wow. That's all. Here is the manual. Okay, that's here. And lastly, we have the things we'll be needing to make the Morse code thing. We're gonna assemble this. This includes a circuit board. Okay, we'll be assembling this right now. This one's a screwdriver, fixing plate, connecting wire, the cell box. It includes two wires that's connected to it. The sheet metal. The black one's the loudspeaker, the red one's the LED. And we have the screws. First, fix the cell box on the fixing plate with the screws. So, wait, I think it's like this. Okay, I'm gonna get the screws. I'm gonna get everything out of it. Oopsie. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. We're done. Step 2. Fix the other electronic components as shown. I'm gonna put the 2 screw first so it's easier. Now we screw it down. Okay, we're done now. Okay, now we have to press this one to that side. You put the screw first and then screw it halfway. Wait. We have 2 legs. Using the long one, we have to connect it with this one. Now we bend it like it's splitting. Like I said, we will insert it here. Also this one. You look for the plus sign that's over here. Then we connect it with the red splitting thing. Let's turn this around. Then, hey, okay, and this one, okay. Hey, it's running away.
What?
Okay, whatever, it's still in there. Very tight. Okay, next we connect the negative side, then we put a screw here. Oh no, okay, whatever. Then we connect this thing, this wire, to close the circuit. This is the switch where we will push up. We will make the Morse code. You remove this one. Wow. You loop it. Okay, we make a circle. I mean, a hook. Hey, it's focusing. Okay, we'll do the same with here. We'll put it halfway. Put it here. Okay, good. It's fitting. You hook it and then you tighten. You tighten it. Okay. After tightening it, we'll have to measure where this thing is gonna be, since it's gonna touch the circuit. Okay, this one, this part here. This. Okay. We'll do the same with the other part. We remove it and shape it into a hook. I mean, yeah, loop it first. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Okay. Next, we loop it here like we did with the other side. And we close it. And now our circuit is complete. All we have to do is put the batteries on here. Wow! Wow! This is the battery we're using. This is the positive side. This is the negative side. The negative side is always on the spring side, I guess. Okay. Okay, moment of truth. Wow, it works. Okay, it's working. The LED and the sound is working. In Morse code, plus indicates a short signal and minus indicates a long signal that keeps for a certain time, and various signals are typed according to Morse code. Number 5. Commonly used Morse code, distress signal, SOS. Okay, I don't need help. Anyways, number 6. Usually, these signals can be sent in the form of sound by a transmitter, and at the same time, the information system can be transmitted by flashing optical signals. You can also try to send messages at night with a flashlight. In any case, the interaction with friends needs to be consistent with the way your signal transmission is in advance. In addition, you should always allow a small pause between each letter. Just another information, Morse code was invented by American Morse in 1837. Its composition is composed of dot and dash. Among them, 1 point is regarded as a basic signal unit, and the length of 1 stroke is equivalent to the time length of 3 points. I'm gonna try spelling my name in Morse code. Anyways, okay, here goes. Okay, here's to the R. Okay, we'll go for A. Oh yeah, E. I forgot to spell my name. E. A. Now N. Where's N? Okay. Okay, E. Yay! Thumbs up. My hand, baby hands. My name is Reanne Penaranda, and this is the first circuit that I made, so I'll congratulate myself with pizza. If you learned something from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. And
Again.
okay. Oh, do it.
You start from the R.
Okay, wait, yeah.
You point to the, you point behind R. Where's the R?